Hidden on the south coast of England is a village that feels like time has stood still. Its name is carried on the sea breeze, a promise of peace and quiet. Coming here is like stepping into a beautiful postcard, one with cute little houses and the fresh smell of the ocean. The village hugs a small harbour, its colourful fishing boats rocking gently on the water. Seagulls fly above, their calls echoing the sound of the waves. There's a feeling of timelessness here, like life moves at a slower pace. Walking through the village is like walking through history. Every winding lane and narrow alleyway tells stories of a time long past. The cottages with their straw roofs and brightly painted doors look like they grew right out of the ground. You can almost picture the fishermen from long ago, fixing their nets by the harbour, their voices mixing with the calls of seabirds. The air is filled with the smell of salt and seaweed, reminding you of how close the village is to the sea. The beach stretches out like a silver ribbon, touched by the soft waves. Fine sand runs between your toes as you walk along the shore, the taste of salty air on your lips. Children's laughter mixes with the calls of seagulls, a happy seaside song. This beach is more than just a place to relax, it's the heart of the village. People have relied on it for generations, their lives connected to the rising and falling tides. The village is full of history, its past carved into the very stones. On top of a windy cliff, the broken walls of an old castle stand watch, a silent guardian over the sea. Stories tell of smugglers and sailors, their adventures woven into the village's history. In the local pub, old fishermen tell tales of brave rescues and big catches. Their words paint pictures of a life lived with the sea, a tribute to the strong spirit of this coastal haven.